because it's funny. And the lesbian comic says, you know that the lesbians aren't having any sex. You're having none. The reason why you're not having any sex is you're too busy fixing stuff in your house. And then you're too tired to have sex. There's no having sex. Okay, so first, look, see, okay, we're like the epitome of house fixing, alright? And then my son starts.
Yep. I knew it. I knew it. I'm a lesbian.